Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 418, a studio on the 4th floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the kitchen is on your right. A nice large kitchen with an electric oven and range, a microwave, a refrigerator, plenty of cupboards, and across from them, your sink, some additional cupboards, and a small breakfast bar. Facing the kitchen is one of the great features of Commons West, the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. Next to the intercom is the hall closet, which is the first of 3 closets in this apartment. On into the living area, you'll find 5 pieces of furniture: a full-size bed, a dresser, a desk and desk chair, and a bookcase. This apartment faces east with a limited view of the building next door. Every studio is air-conditioned and has a heating element. This apartment is special because it has 2 additional closets in this little side nook, so you've got a lot of extra storage space that does not actually affect the dimensions of your living area. We will finish in the bathroom. A nice large bathroom with a vanity, a large mirror, a shower and tub combo, and an additional towel rack hiding behind the door. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 418. Call us today for availability.